Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is a Honda Civic 2019. Yes, 2019 Honda Civic. If there is any accident or anything happen on this car, you know what gonna happen, what gonna affect is this one. This is a radar. If you notice here, this is a radar for it, and it have to be adjusted and calibrated. If you don't do it, all the lane departure and codes will be there. Also, it have one here. You see, and here also you have to do it. If it's not, you're gonna have all those cars, all those lights blinking inside your car. You know, the radar departure, and they stay orange. I'm gonna show you here. You see, like those lights here, they will never change to green at all. You see right now they change to green. If it is not good, it will never change to green, and you have to calibrate it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and take care of this car. Thank you.